Solar landscaping lights can illuminate your favorite outdoor spaces without increasing your energy bill. Their designs range from practical to whimsical to enhance different types of outdoor spaces. Some come in strings, and others are lantern-like with shepherd's hooks to brighten walkways. What they all have in common is their ability to harness solar energy to light the night. When making your choice, you'll need to consider what you want the lights to accomplish, whether that's lighting for safety or accentuating decor. And keep in mind the number of lights and the design that will best complement your landscaping. We've rounded up 7 of the best solar landscaping lights on the market from the dozens we researched, with an eye for different types to fit the landscaping of various modern homes. Number 1. Lianglum Solar Lights. The Lianglum solar lights save a few dollars without sacrificing style or illumination. The unique head design directs light for a more concentrated beam, which makes them seem brighter than they are. The manufacturer includes almost overly helpful instructions that walk you through every part of the assembly and installation. Consequently, there's rarely an issue with getting them installed. The lights are controlled with a light sensor and are IP65 rated, which means they can withstand rain, sleet, and snow. They take a relatively short 4 to 6 hours to charge. While they don't typically live up to the manufacturer's promised 8 to 12 hours of illumination, according to reviews, they can easily last 4 or 5 on a single charge. However, every now and then, a package will arrive with a light that's dim or doesn't work. Number 2. Solpex Solar Outdoor Lights. The Solpex Solar Outdoor Lights bring style and character to the garden with illumination that goes beyond practical into decorative. These lights give off a gentle light that's not designed to overpower a walkway. Instead, they emit an accentuating glow to highlight a garden or other landscaping features. They charge in a relatively short 6 to 8 hours and offer several hours of illumination. These Solpex lights have an IP44 waterproof rating, which means they can withstand rainstorms, though regular deluges might be a bit much. Control is a no-brainer with an automatic on/off switch controlled by a light sensor. There's some assembly involved, and you may need to break up hard ground before installation. Pros: decorative design adds character. Offers excellent accent light. Holds charge well. Cons: loses ability to hold charge over time. Requires assembly. Number 3. MagGift Hanging Solar Lights. The MagGift Hanging Solar Lights bring a touch of elegance to the outdoors. They come with the shepherd's hooks that hold the lights high enough to disperse light but not so high that they obstruct a view or fight with the rest of the landscaping. We like how their hanging design can integrate with different types of outdoor decor. For example, you can use them to line a walkway or use separately sold hooks to hang them from eaves or outdoor structures. These lights come in a bright or warm white, so you can match them to the rest of your outdoor lighting. The solar panels blend into the overall design. As long as the lights are placed where they can get full sun for most of the day, they emit a gentle glow for several hours into the night. Control comes from a standard light sensor that turns the lights on as it gets dark. The downside with these lights is that the stakes on the shepherd's hooks aren't super stable, so they can lean if bumped. Number 4. Jackie LED Solar Step Lights. The Jackie LED Solar Step Lights have a 3-sided design that casts 270 degrees of light. They come with 2 installation methods, screws and adhesive strips. The screw installation may be the more complicated method, but it's the most secure between the two. Adhesive strips are easy, but some reviewers report that they fail after a short time. However, we do like the variety of surfaces these lights can be used on, from wood fencing and concrete to siding and various stacking materials. These lights cast light in 3 directions, which provides extra light on stairs, and better visibility means better safety. Like other solar lights, these lights run using a light sensor, so you don't need to worry about turning them on or off. The Jackie LED lights are also IP65 rated, which means they can withstand heavy rain, snow, and sleet. Number 5. Signature Garden 8-Pack Solar Garden Lights. At a cost of about $5 per light, one would be hard-pressed to find a better deal than this set of solar-powered garden lights from Signature Garden. With its 8 lights, the set can cover a walkway or illuminate several garden beds. The lights are black and have a simple no-frills look that suits many home exteriors. Though they lack the durability of metal, they are constructed of ABS rigid plastic, which won't rust or corrode in wet weather and is tough enough to endure the occasional bump. Despite their affordable price, they're brighter than most pathway lights at 15 lumens. Small solar panels that sit on top of the light charge a rechargeable battery that keeps the light on at night for up to 8 hours. Like other pathway lights, each light in this set sits on a stake. To install, Simply insert the pointed end of the post into the soil and attach the lamp. Pros. Includes 8 lights. Install easily with no tools required. Rust and corrosion proof. Cons. Plastic construction is not as attractive as a metal finish.